Tower, Blue 5342 on Mount Vernon, visual runway 1.
Blue 5342, Washington Tower, 1 star, 320 at 17, got 25. Can you take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue 5342.
Blue 5342, at the Wilson Bridge, change to runway 33, runway 33, clear for land.
Change to runway 33 for land, Blue 5342.
Flight 1, landing fault at the 4-1, please on risk when they will report landing strip. Points are currently 330 at 15, sub 25. Flight 1, Roger for change for good night. Pass 25, Roger.
American 4782 by Baton, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star, 320 at 17.
Alright, this is wind. Tower, did you see that?
American 472. American 3130, go around, turn left end 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33.
Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left end 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 on the heading, 3000, American 3130.
American 472, cancel landing clearance runway 1, continue. Black Jet 3, zone 6 approved.
American 1380, go to departure.
Yeah, Potomac on 118.95.
1895 full.
American 472, cancel approach clearance runway 1, continue.
Approach clearance canceled, we're continuing.
Blue Streak 5305, I assume you saw that over to our house.
Affirmative.
Clarify what you want 478 to do. Are we going around or are we continuing?
05, maintain 3000.
American 472 is going around. We're going to climb, maintain 3000.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final.
Alright, for American 472, we're on the go. We're going to climb, maintain 3000. You have a heading?
American 472, let's start heading 270, climb, maintain 3000. Contact Potomac on 118.95.
270 the heading, 3000 and 1895, American 472.
For American 3130.
American 3130, contact approach on 1895.
1895, American 3130.
472. American 272, yeah, left turn.
Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request circle to 33.
Blue Streak 5347, go around, climb, maintain 3000, flight heading for now.
3000 heading, go around 3000, Blue Streak 5347.
American 3130, American 3130, contact approach, no, shoot, standby. Muscle 13, standby. Blackjack 3, can you return to base? What? Blackjack 3, proceed directly to Glebe, I need you to land. Land immediately.
Washington Tower, op 6.
Op 6, yeah, go ahead.
Looking across the approach, looking across 33 up on box drop.
Op 6, approved question.
Op 6, approved.
Okay, Muscle 7, Tower. I need you to land immediately. Can you go to Dulles for a few minutes? Muscle 7, proceed due westbound, contact Dulles Tower 120.1. Muscle 13, can you go to Baltimore? Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 0, Blue Streak 5347, turn right heading 120.
120 and heading Blue Streak 5347.
Alright, yeah, 230.
Was that op again? We'll show everything close. Blue Streak 5347, let's make a hard right turn 180.
Hard right turn 180, Blue Streak 5347.
Blue Streak 5305, I don't know if you saw it, but about 2,000 feet
Oh no, it's 3 o'clock, about 500 feet up in the air. It looks like there were flares or something going over right now.
We're handling right now, stand by. Okay, Air Care 1, are you landing? Air Care 1 tower. Okay, Blue Street 5347, let's make it a 1-2, so I'm back on the 120, heading contact approach on 125.65.
120 heading 12565 Blue Street 5347.
Okay, Muscle 7, you guys with me? So Air Care 1 tower. Blue Street 5305, hold short of 1, and I'll call you back in a few minutes.
Yeah, 5305.
Muscle 1-3 tower, you still with me?
Would like to cross over 1 around 4.
Approved question.
Approved, okay.
Muscle 1-3, can you either go to Baltimore or Andrews? Okay, Muscle 1-3, I need to have you exit the airspace. Can you go to Andrews? Muscle 1-3, proceed direct to Andrews. Blackjack 3 tower. Are you able to assist with the search and rescue? And the opposite of the request approves the question. Blackjack 3, do you have any kind of like searchlight or maybe anything on board that would help shed some light at the east end of the field? Okay, Blackjack 3, just proceed now. If you can take a Route 6 over the top, head towards Anacostia, and I'll call you back. And Ops making the request approves the question. Ops 3, roger. Muscle 1-3, do you have any kind of searchlight on board? Oh, it's for a different aircraft. Muscle 1-3, sir. For Muscle 1-3, do you have any kind of searchlight on board? Okay, for Muscle 1-3, just proceed towards South Cap right now, and then I'll call you back. Blackjack 3, roger. And Blackjack 3, if you see the trucks off your left-hand side, just let me know if there's any way you can assist. Muscle 1-3, sir. Yeah, when you get to South Cab, you're going to see a lot of trucks on the east end of the field. You'll be met with Blackjack 1. If there's any way you can assist, let me know. If you're unable to do the fuel or any kind of equipment limitations, let me know. But if there's any way you can assist, let us know. Muscle 1-3, disregard in that case. Just said proceed direct to Andrews. Muscle 1-3, contact Andrews, channel 118.4. Just go and make the switch now. Lucy 5305. I'm not sure if you... Lucy 5305, not sure if you're aware of what happened. If you want to go back to the gate, let me know. I don't know if we're going to be able to park here for the next few minutes.
Yeah, I've got no more details than what we told you, what we saw here, but we'll continue to hold short. We shut down one engine.
Right. Delta 32, if you want to shut them down or if you want to go back to gate, let me know. I don't know if we're going to resume operations in the near future. It might be about 30 or 40 minutes.
Alright, roger that. We'll wait for now, but we'll probably go ahead and shut one down too. So yeah, just let us know. Thank you.
South 2 Washington, Washington, 29901. If you can, when you lift off, just proceed to the east end of the field. You'll be met with Blackjack 1. He's over there by the approach and runway 33. Yep, for South 2, it'll be over there, the approach and runway 33. South 2, roger. Lucy 5305, I believe they're going to close the airport for an indefinite amount of time. My suggestion is you go back to the gate.
Roger.
Okay, Delta 32.
Say again for 832.
Yeah, South 2, ready to contact half mile east of field. Verify you got Blackjack in place. Falcon 2, roger. Approved, sequenced. All zones are approved. All fixed-wing traffic has been paused. So yeah, any operations on the east side of the field are approved. Top 3, good.
Do you have any information on CRJ by chance?
It's type aircraft. I don't know if it was CRJ 700. It was CRJ 700 series. We're getting that information right now. Delta 832, sorry. I don't know if you caught earlier what happened, but there was a collision on the approach in the 33. We're going to be shutting down operations for the indefinite future. If you want to go back to the gate, highly suggest you guys coordinate with the company. Let me know what you want to do.
All right, we'll let the company, talking to them right now. Yeah, we witnessed the whole thing. If you need any information from us.
Okay, not quite yet, but just remain on frequency, and I'll give you a phone number here in a second.
All right, thanks.
Okay, for JetBlue 2523, did you witness the encounter?
Affirmative.
Okay, Delta 832 and Blue Sheep, sorry, for both JetBlue and Delta and Blue Sheep 105, I'll give you a phone number. Just give me 1 second.